applying for an N-400 for my wife. What are the additional evidences that I can add? Thank you. So an N-400 is a citizenship application, right? N-400 is a citizenship application. Basically, what you need to do is show that she has lived in the U.S., was a resident of the U.S. for whatever the qualifying time is. So if you're a U.S. citizen, the qualifying time is 3 years. So you want to show evidence that she's lived in the U.S. for 3 years, that she paid taxes, so you want to add your tax returns. It's not that much that's required, and actually if you go through the instructions for the N-400, it's very clear on what you need to submit. Okay, it's pretty clear. So it can be just generally, immigration can be confusing. There's a lot of different pieces of evidence. I would suggest don't add more than they're requesting, right? You can add a little bit more, but don't just throw a bunch of information out there. It's only going to delay your application. All right, so my advice, just when you send your application, you want to really understand what they're asking for, what types of evidence they're asking for. Sometimes people, for me, send social security cards. We don't need that. We almost never submit a social security card as a copy of an application, as one of the exhibits to an application. So be mindful. I would say, obviously your tax returns, your civil documents, you would need that as well. But just go through the list. I can't recall off the top of my head, but we have a pretty thorough system of applying for citizenship. So we make sure we get all of the evidence, we gather all the evidence, we do intakes with you to get all the most accurate information, and we put your application together and mail it in. All right. If you want to talk to us about U.S. citizenship to see if you qualify, or if you have questions, give us a call, 703-348-1663.